Hello everyone.
Hello.
Say loudly.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Loudly.
Good evening.
Yes. So my name is Divya Shinath Sabkar. I am a 8th standard student from Nandip Vidyalay and also I am a student of 0 to Hero in English Academy from Gold Batch. So thank you sir, you gave me that golden opportunity and thank you Jidi Miss you participating me in motivation session. So my topic is my best transformation. So I want to share with you my best transformation. So Miss, first of all I want to share with you I joining Gold Batch. So that time Miss which challenges I faced. So Miss first time I joining Gold Batch. So that time Miss first day I can't understanding that time Miss what was telling everyone and that time Miss that time Miss I can't understanding that what was speaking there and what was telling that time there. Because of that time I can't know what is that English that Miss that a little bit words also that time I can't know that time and that's why Miss only at that time also Miss coming sitting and going that time also I can't doing anything. But that the one day sir said that Miss everyone come to early and everyone doing to practice in English. So that day Miss I was thinking that Miss what I can do because of that time I can't understand in English that time I can't able to speak in English. So that day Miss that time I very fear that what I can speak in tomorrow that I can't know. But after that Miss tomorrow Miss everyone will come and that time Miss they are doing the practice. So that time Miss only Miss I see everyone Miss what they are doing practice. That time Miss I can't Miss able to speak in English. That time I can't understanding that what they are to speak in English. Only that 2-3 days only Miss I see that time Miss I was seeing everyone and after that Miss I also started to my activities. That time Miss I also started to my speaking. That time Miss a little bit that time Miss a little bit I was understanding that what they was telling. That time Miss I was understanding that a little bit what I am telling, what they are telling, and they are anything they are asking that question. That question I was understand, and they are Miss giving to answer that also I can understand. So Miss little bit improvement that time Miss I got and. That Miss after that Miss everyone is speaking to Miss that English that time and that time Miss that time also Miss a little bit not a little bit mistakes that time I was doing, but that time Miss everyone that is solved to my mistake, everyone that supporting me Miss yes you can do it, yes Miss you can do practice. So that's why Miss I get a confidence, yes I also do that. So that day Miss I also started to speaking in my home also. In my home